Monster trucks in Pécs tonight, flames and fury, what a sight. Hearts were racing, kids in shock, as the giants crushed the block. Rev the engine, light